Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I will be showing you how you could install Python development environment in Windows 10. To do that, you will need to make sure that you are connected to the internet. We will open the browser and we will type download, or we can just type python.org. We will open this www.python.org. And here we will click on the download, and here we will be able to download the latest version for Windows. If you have an operating system of Mac, you can always just click on this specific operating system, like Mac operating system, Linux, Unix and others, and by just clicking on other you will be offered 4 different options. For now we'll just stick to Windows, and as is always advised by them, we will download the latest version. We'll just click here on the download. Here you will find the release version. You can choose which one you want and the release date, and personally I will choose the latest one. We'll just click on download. We'll scroll down, and here we will choose the operating system and their files. So I have a Windows 64, you might have Windows 32, so you want to download the correct one. So for now I will just select the one which I want. If you are unable to find the one which you are looking for, just click on downloads, select Windows or Mac operating. For now just stick to Windows, and we will look for download Windows 64. So we'll select the download Windows 86/64 executable installer. The download has started. We'll open or show in folder. We will click with the right button of the mouse, run as administrator, and we'll click yes. We'll add Python 3.7 or whatever version to path, and we can always select install now or customize. If you select customize, you'll be able to see what exactly will be included in the installation. It includes documentation, PIP, IDL, development environment, and Python test suite. We'll just click next. You can always select install for all users, download debugging samples and download debugging binaries, and we will click install. The operation will take few minutes, up to 4 minutes maximum, to perform the whole installation, and it shouldn't last for longer than that. You can go ahead and close your browser and wait just for the installation to be completed. Regardless if you have 32 or 64-bit, it should work for both, and since the installation is being done from online, once the installation is completed, you can go ahead and click close, and you will find Python in the menu, and as you can see it's available in the start menu, and you can just go ahead and use it. Otherwise, if you cannot find it, just type Python in your search tab and you will be able to find it. Click with the right button of the mouse, click open file location, then you can just click copy paste, and you should be able to paste it in your desktop, and now it's fully accessible and you can use it. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.